friends,
Welcome back to Simply Sweet. Today,
in this video we are going to be making some Nutella fudge brownies. To make this Nutella fudge brownie, we need 400 grams of Nutella,
3 tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder
1 egg and 1 egg yolk.
and 2 tablespoons of hot milk. Now let's start making it.
Now we are keeping it in the oven.
Wait, I want to feel this.
Yummy.
More to go with more. I like it.